In Europe, there is an ocean at the depth of the thick surface of the ice. And if we combine all the oceans on Earth, it's even bigger than that. But because it's there, it's of no use to us. Let's bring that water to Earth. How will you be able to get this water out of all this ice? How long will this entire exploration take? And is this water even drinkable? The journey to Europa is a long journey. It is 5 times longer than the distance from the Earth to the Sun. With our current technology, a space probe can reach the Moon within 3 years. But if you want to send a ship, mine water, collect water, and return home with an astronaut team, then you will need much more time than this. When you reach your destination, the first thing you will focus on when leaving the ship will be the cold there. The temperature near the European poles can be as low as -223 degrees Celsius, and it will be dark here. You will be getting only 4% of the light compared to the sunlight on Earth. But you will be surprised by the green light of this icy surface. This glowing effect in the night is due to Jupiter, which keeps Europa immersed in continuously strong energy radiation. And as big as our moon looks in the sky, Jupiter must be about 24 times bigger than it. Now it's time to dig in the ice, and it will be a lot of work. To reach the water below, you have to dig deeper than the deepest pit on Earth. Russia's Kola Super Deep borehole is 12.2 kilometers deep. In Europa, you have to go up to 2 times that depth, and it may take a lot of time. The scientists of Antarctica dug there every 6 minutes for a depth of about 1 meter. It took them 3 days to reach a depth of 730 meters. Now, according to the scientists, the depth of the European Ocean can be 60 to 150 kilometers. This means that the deepest part of the Mariana Trench on Earth will be about 14 times shallower than Challenger Deep. After all this journey and work, you will finally be able to drink the first sip of the cold water of this outer planet like ice. But you will immediately spit it out. It will be to a large extent like the water of the oceans of the Earth. Perhaps it would be better to check its composition before loading it back home. Due to the surface and inner stone part of Europa, this water will have a mixture of magnesium sulfate and sodium chloride. In other words, Epsom salt and table salt. Yes, after so much effort, it will be better than ordinary water to fill this water in the bathtub and enjoy it. But to drink it, you will have to separate the salt from it first. This process can purify this water so much that you can drink it. This project will be quite expensive to come back empty-handed. Without any team's 8 years of Galileo mission, Jupiter's study cost about 10,000 crore rupees. So the price of this project is going to go up from the 7th sky. Will it be easier and cheaper to remove salt from the water of our planet's oceans? Now is not the time to worry about it. Fill as much water as you can in your spaceship and go on a long journey back to Earth. When you are looking at the shining surface of Europa from afar, you will remember that your spaceship is filled with water from another, and you didn't even think that you could even explore life there. Let's go back to the ship and look for the aliens. But how will we find them? To find out, keep watching Mindful Journey.